Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Rokibul Hassan Riyad back with another video. In this video I will mention some tricks to improve your speaking. A question comes many times to me, how can I improve my speaking? Now let's talk about it. If you want to improve your speaking, you should practice daily. You can choose a topic and then describe the topic by your own, by natural actually. And you know that practice makes a man perfect, so you should practice more and more. Not only that, but also be a good listener, because if you want to be a good speaker you should be a good listener. So you should listen English broadcast, English song, and also English lectures daily. If you want to be a good speaker you should do that. And also if you are a practices Muslim you should watch English lectures, Islamic lectures especially. And you also watch Islamic cartoons, animations to improve your speaking. I believe that if you follow this method you can improve yourself and also you can achieve your ambition. Thank you. See you later. Tata. Bye bye.